You guys are supposed to say yes. Or if I say class, class, you guys say
Yes, yes.
yes, yes. You guys never had to do that? Elementary school? Remember that?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you ever have that teacher that had a special whistle that, like, to get everyone's attention, had a whistle?
I mean, the clap.
Yeah. Oh, the clap thing. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So, in my graduate level course, my education course, the teacher had a train whistle thing that she had, and so every time we heard that, that was like traumatic for me now. I'm like, you know. Anyway, all right. So this goes by the second set of notes, and the second set of notes is basically what we did on Monday, which was use substitution. And like I said, use substitution is basically, it's a puzzle. So this puzzle is, if you're looking at it in terms of taking a derivative of that same thing, it would be that chain rule substitution. So that you have to identify what it is that you're going to get to use your U. Sometimes you have to be creative with your U. Did I do all these ones? Yes, I did. Let's see. Okay. Now, creativity is important. So we're going to do this first one here, 5x squared, 4x minus 1. And I'm moving my dx over here. Just so you know that dx is a multiplier.
They had this in the homework.
The same one?
Actually, the same one, same type of thing.
Yeah, same type of thing, yeah.
Just gotta move the things inside it.
Yeah. So for this one right here, specifically, I need to identify what it is I want my u to be. You'll see in a second. Joseph, you did the homework, right? So using this, what would I say my u should be? This is the puzzle piece. Okay, when I do my u substitution, what do I do after I choose my u? What do I do with my u? I take the derivative, right? Now, this is a puzzle, so it has to fit. I take my u, I take the derivative of that, and the derivative is what I use to substitute out my x's. So if I look, the bottom piece right here has an x cubed, doesn't it? If I take that and have that be my u, you'll see here, so u is 4x cubed minus 1. So du is going to be 12x squared, right? dx. Okay, so now by doing that, remember, we're trying to substitute out all my x's. Okay? Just like in real life, you always want to get rid of your x. Put a ting. See what I did there? Like ex-wives, ex-husbands, yeah. You know, old relationships, right? Get rid of your x. Anyway, so right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 12. Let me move this out of the way because I'm pretty sure this is not conducive to. Divide both sides by 12.
You're replacing x squared with 1 over top.
Okay, so 1 over 12 du is going to replace x squared dx. So x squared dx is going to go away, right? Okay, what can I do with that 5?
5. You can take out the 4 now. Oh, no, that's part of U.
Yeah, that's part of the u, right? But what can I do with the 5?
Can you put the 5 on the outside?
Yes, I can, because the 5 is multiplying times the top, isn't it? So it's just a multiplication. So if there was only like a 4x cubed, not that 1, I could have just pulled out the 4 too, couldn't I? I could have put out, so if I didn't have that minus 1, I could have replaced and put the 5 over 4 completely outside. Yes? Okay. All right, so that being said, integrand, I got my 5 over 12, because this is my 1 over 12 here, right? 1 over 12. And then, so that's out front. And now the 5 is gone, the x squared is gone, the dx is gone, and now what's left on top? 1. 1's left on top. What's on bottom? U. And then I have du. So, again, a puzzle. It fits just right. So I went from complicated to very uncomplicated, because it will fit together. And that's the point of this, is actually trying to make it fit like a puzzle to do your substitution. Now, what's the integration of 1 over u? ln u, very good. So it's ln u. So I'm going to end up with an answer of 5 over 12 ln absolute value of u plus c. All right, I'm almost done here. What do I do next? Anyone? What do hey, quit your whining about your muffin. What do I do next? Put the u back in, right? Let's put the u back in. So 5 over 12 ln absolute value of 4x cubed minus 1 plus c. Victor, you good? All right, so I'm going to go back. Let's see, part B, e to the x over e to the x plus 4. All right, let's see you guys try. What's up, lady? This is example 5. Example 5. So we're doing this. So these are here. So e to the x over e to the x plus this right here. Is all this right here. So and this goes in. Anyone stuck yet? Anthony, what'd you use for you?
What I use for you is the bottom.
Yep. Let you get to work. Easy x dx. Easy x dx. So I'm left with integral of yep, 1 over u du. Pretty easy. Okay, so take the integral. That's going to give me ln absolute value of u plus c. So I get ln absolute value of e to the x plus 4 plus c. Thank you. I don't think we. Yeah. And I think that's. We don't need this one yet. We'll save this one for next week.
Wednesday.
Huh?
Wednesday. 4 day weekend.
Yeah, next week.
Half
Yeah.
a day a week.
Yeah.
We should just give it the full week.
I know, right? They give so many days off all the time that it's like I days aren't even a school day. So, all right, like, share, and subscribe. My merch store is up and working. Yeah, see the new shirt that I have for my merch store. So go ahead.